Hello, welcome to 100% Minis, and today is a little bit different today. Rather than looking at the Mini F56 Challenge 210, we've got something else to have a look at. Something else a little bit special. Yes, it's a Ferrari 458. So we're in the Ferrari 458 and we're going to have a look at the spec, have a quick look around the car. I'm not going to go into too much detail because there's loads of reviews on the internet, on YouTube, about the 458. So it's got the Ferrari, obviously the Ferrari steering wheel, all the different settings down here. We've got wet, sport, race, traction control off, and then everything off as well. That's when you've got big balls mode basically. The indicator switches are on the steering wheel. As you can see on the steering wheel there, we've got the carbon fibre. Now the carbon fibre, it's got the carbon fibre interior pack, which is all the way at the centre console, all the way around the dash, all the way along, so passenger side as well, which is absolutely fantastic. It looks brilliant. It looks really nice. We've got different settings for the our controls, the different screens in here, and the yellow dial, which looks really nice with the yellow Ferrari badge on the yellow dial as well. Very nice. This has also got this little thing here, because not only is this a 458, the owner didn't really like the sound of the normal exhaust. He wanted something a little bit throatier, so this actually controls the Capristo Switchable Exhaust, which sounds absolutely crazy, but you can switch it off, so you know, if you do get sick you can sort of have it quiet. It's got the front lift as well, and the sports bucket seats in cream leather with the red carpets, and obviously the exterior is red as well. It looks really good. Probably the best combination. And your red starter button, your bumpy road button. I think that's about it for the interior. I say I'm not going to go into too much detail. It's just a quick overview. And I'll have a listen to the exhaust system in a couple of minutes.
Press auto on it.
Am I too near the curb here?
No, I think you're right. And then basically pull the right paddle back, and then if you want to just go in, that's in manual, so you're on the paddles now.
Right.
Indicate. This is where the weird thing is. Everything's on the steering wheel. It takes a long time to get used to that. It's weird because it doesn't creep either, you know. On the front, this is just dances, you know. It's just
how do you cancel your
just press the indicator
It's like, you think you're going to change up. You think you should change up, but it's got like another 3,000 RPM.
Yeah, you've got to let it sink all the way to the top.
What's the power on this?
It's 575 brake. It gives it about another 15 with the Capristo apparently. It does feel a little bit, it does feel a bit, not quite, I don't know whether the fuel's been in, I don't know if that makes a difference to it being 4 months old in the tank.
Yeah.
I don't know. Gets your heart going. This. It's, if you can get first gear down, that's where, which you can, like when it's because the tyres are terrible.
Yeah.
That's when you get a bell that's off launch. It feels more like the GTR on takeoff because it will grip, but just not when it's.
My God, I don't think I've ever done nothing like this before. That's absolutely unbelievable.
You can see why the sort of the big hype with them when they came out. It's been taken up the next level, and even for Ferrari, it was like I think it'll be one of the. It's one of the greats, the practical greats.
Well, it's the last naturally aspirated.
Yeah.
The 488s.
I mean, the 488 is going to be, it'll be amazing.
Oh, so you see the back end just.
It's when you see everybody who's got sort of in cars like their RS, and everybody looks at it. It's, I think you can't go anywhere to sort of normally,
That's unbelievable. That is unbelievable.
I've been.
Well, one unbelievable day. We've been driving the Ferrari 458 all morning. I know I didn't get loads of footage. It was unbelievable. I know I didn't say a lot either because I was just sort of in awe, and the noise it makes with the Capristo exhaust is absolutely unbelievable. A massive thank you to Jamie for letting us take his car out. I'm now going to go and work out which organs I don't need and what I can sell on the black market, because that's on my list of I want one. So we'll see what we can do. I doubt it'll be anytime soon, but who knows? More subscribers, more YouTube views. Who knows what we'll be able to afford. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Cheers.